So let's visit Taj today. The simplest thing that you have to do is go on Google. Okay, it's Taj Hotel Mumbai. Okay, and I put what I knew about Taj. I call it Taj, but they call it the Taj Mahal Palace. Okay, so look at this. Now, generally, the names, okay, do not have the, but this is like the Taj Mahal Palace because they want to really say it's the only one. All right. So we generally don't say the Mumbai or the Taj or the, because grammatically it doesn't fit in, but they've used when we have to specify that it is the only one. All right. So when we Google it, we get millions of pages on this. So what we are going to do is we are going to learn this in two formats. One is the reading format, okay, and the second one is the video format. Now, generally, those who are really curious to know about Taj can probably Google Taj as well as put the Taj Mahal Palace as YouTube keyword. All right. Now, when you put this, you would get multiple videos and shots. All right. Now, those who have not seen or those who don't really want to see, okay, lots a detail, I would say, a tour of Taj, they can probably skip to only a couple of shots that would really excite them, and then probably you can start watching the entire tour of 45 minutes, 48 minutes. Okay, so if you think 51 minutes is too much of time to invest, you can start by just clicking on one of these and then probably think of if you feel interested, you can think of. Okay, now everywhere when they say Taj Mumbai ka khana, that means it might be in Hindi. Okay, this is in Marathi, this is in English, but aisa dinner served. No, this is all Hindi version. So there's a possibility that you may not learn English, but you'll enter just a magical zone and not learn the language. Okay, 1 lakh room tour of Taj Mahal Palace. Really, my affordable room. Okay, so let's click one
Now I
by
will
one.
show you an affordable room in Taj Mumbai. How is it in Taj? But first of all see what is the arrangement
Okay, affordable room. Now this is probably done by AI. Okay, let me check. All right.
below. And this is my room in which I have put my key, and as soon as I open it and put the key here, first of all
Yeah.
I will touch all the buttons. Oh wow, what a room.
Wow, wow, what a room. Okay.
Yes, seriously this is a very good affordable room friend. Look
Yeah.
what an entrance it is. Wow, the camera might not.
Okay, look what an entrance it is. Okay, I think this is all translated, but this is decent English to learn for beginners. But this room seems to be quite decent. I mean, if he says affordable room, and if this is the room that he's offered, is quite decent for the money which he has
Be
paid.
working properly in this.
Uh-huh.
But oh wow, let's turn on the lights.
Turn on the
Bathroom.
light. Okay, he says switch on the light or turn on the light. Look at this. This is the washroom, and this is very clean. Okay, this is sparkling clean. Sparkling matlab chamak raha hai. So we say is spotless, is flawless. Okay, जैसे floor से देखो चमक रहे हैं ना, so it is sparkling clean.
Room lights. Wow oh
Yes,
wow.
very hygienic, very clean. Okay, spotless bathtub. मतलब कि एक भी दाग नहीं है, so we can say spotless.
Tub, shower here.
Yes.
Okay. There is a seat in the shower and the shower is also of a very big size.
Yeah, so this is quite luxurious in terms of the bathtub and
I
shower.
mean this is a bathroom, and this is an affordable room. This is not very expensive. I will tell you at the end what is its rate. So see
Yeah,
how the room is. How good it is. So I am showing myself
there's a shaving mirror here. You might think this is the mirror which they use these days for video recording, but it's
so
a
that you
shaving
can
mirror.
know. There is a room here also. This is basically a connected room.
Uh-huh.
Oh man, what a thing, Basob.
This is a spacious room. Okay, that means this room has got a bed, full-size bed. I can see a full-size bed. It also has the side table and a desk to work. So this is quite luxurious, quite spacious. When he says affordable, I was expecting probably a little lesser, but it's Taj. Okay, so
What
affordable
a
room.
thing. Wow. There are big
Central hanging piece is called a
no.
chandelier.
This is basically a connected
Humor,
room.
humor. Okay, Jhumar.
Oh man, what a thing, Basob. What a thing. Wow.
This is Jhumar, this one. Okay, that is chandelier. All right, these curtains, okay, they are golden. They look like golden, or they sheer curtains. It's little ट्रांसल्यूसेंट ट्रांसपेरेंट नहीं है बट ट्रांसल्यूसेंट है थोड़ा सा दिखता है थोड़ा सा लाइट पास हो रहा है बट पूरा नहीं दिखता है दे आर कॉल्ड एज sheer curtains और translucent curtains they look quite luxurious okay designer curtains नहीं है एकदम but they look quite luxurious
Wow. There are big mirrors everywhere.
these are the chest of drawers okay मतलब क्या है ये drawers है और उसमें बहुत सारा सामान रह जाता है okay chest of drawers and this is your working desk.
There are tables here and here as well. You can keep some small things. There is a safe here. For now I will keep my bag. But man, what a beautiful design.
Mhm.
And it is not too.
Nice layout. Okay, everything. When it comes to your washroom, the layout is typical hotel room layout. When you enter, there's a corridor. मतलब क्या बीच में थोड़ा सा रास्ता होता है, जगह होती है जाने के लिए. That's a corridor, pathway, hallway, जो भी आप बोलो. Okay, and then there's washroom, and then you have your
Expensive.
living room.
All is wow. The view outside is also good. By the
Oh,
way, it is
wow.
night now and there is space to sit here. In fact, it is openable from here. So these windows.
This is very quite basic. Okay, so if you want to learn good vocab, I would really want you to read first. Okay, क्योंकि ये जो होते हैं ना blogs, these blogs really don't have great vocabulary. All right, मतलब you can learn basic things, but still. Okay, Wikipedia doesn't make it really interesting for all, so I'll skip that. And I would probably go for somebody has written good English here. Let's see if that those comments or the description would be so you can see this. All right, it's just a one liner here. Okay, but that itself is interesting. Now this is Taj Mahal Mumbai's Instagram page. All right, for over a century the newly trademarked, okay, when I say newly trademarked is because I guess there was the attack and after that they have revamped certain part of it. Okay, so newly trademarked Taj Mahal Palace has been the epitome. Epitome means एकदम क्या बोलते हैं उसके जैसा कोई नहीं, is it? The perfect, a perfect example of gracious hospitality. बहुत ही gracious मतलब बहुत ही अच्छे से लोग आपको welcome करते हैं. Hospitality is their warmth, the way people treat you when you're or when you visit their home या फिर when you visit उनके hotel rooms और service जो customer service होते थे, that is called as hospitality. And impeccable service, impeccable मतलब मतलब नहीं, impeccable means कुछ भी चीज के ऊपर फॉल्ट निकालने जैसा नहीं. Impeccable service, okay, perfect service. So they actually have this as their tagline जैसे होता है ना वैसे कि they are known for their hospitality and service. Okay, all the hotels are known for that. Hospitality का मतलब ही ये होता है that you welcome people there. Okay, there's a warmth, there's a courteousness, okay, there's a graciousness. लेकिन ये ताज में इन्होंने यहाँ डाला जो एपिटोम एपिटोम मतलब परफेक्ट एग्जाम्पल है. सब में होता रहेगा बट दिस इज द परफेक्ट एग्जाम्पल. Now, since they are putting their own videos, they might put some English captions. I don't see specifically any captions, but maybe if you click on this, yes, you can see this. All right. So this is about the bartending, wine, and ऐसे कुछ है, but this is something which is very specific. I want to know first about basic things about Taj. जैसे कि ताज का एक्सपीरियंस किया है मैंने. तो हाउ डू आई टेल माई फ्रेंड मैं ताज में जाके आ गई तो अच्छा ताज में जाके वाह बहुत अच्छा ताज है. वेरी गुड कितनी बार वेरी गुड बोलोगे राइट. So you can use some words. Now, if you're to start taking notes, start writing these words. If you want to, for high quality service, okay, quality, good, well-maintained staff, okay, clean rooms. All right. So interesting environment. ये सब बेसिक इसमें लिखा हुआ है हाँ. So कुछ अच्छा फॉलो करते हैं. Let's find out something interesting. Yes. Make my trip. What does they say? What does it say? Make my trip is a website, so I should not say they. It's it. Okay. I don't want to check in, check out. Let's skip this. Okay. Let me read first. What is there in that? Okay. It's an iconic landmark. Okay. So read about this now. Iconic matlab icon is nothing but ऐसी चीज जिसका एक क्या है, सिंबल है। ओके, सो इट्स आइकॉनिक लैंडमार्क। अगर आप किसी को भी बोल दोगे कि मुझे ताज जाना है, तो वो आपको पहुंचा देंगे ताज। यू डोंट हैव टू रियली टेल देम ताज, वो वाला ताज जो पानी के है, वो जो लेफ्ट में है, जो राइट में, इट्स आइकॉनिक। इट्स अ लैंडमार्क, दैट मीन्स पीपल से ओ ताज बिल्डिंग है ना, उसके पीछे, उसके बाजू में, उसके आगे, उसके यहाँ, उसके वहां। सो दे गिव द लैंडमार्क। ऑलराइट, so Taj Mahal Palace is known for its culinary gems. Culinary gems means हा हा हा, वाओ। ओके, culinary मतलब खाना। ओके, और खाने में एकदम वाओ वाली चीज। ओके, यूनिक एक्सपीरियंसेस, मतलब कुछ अलग लगेगा आपको वहां जाके, ऐसे लोगों को लगता है। ऑलराइट, सो इट्स अबाउट फर्स्ट culinary gems, मतलब खाना खाने के लिए वहां लोग जाते हैं। And the second thing is unique experiences. Okay, let me join the camera so that I can express myself and then you can watch. All right. Um, I think. Acha, I mute from here. Ah, I'm using my laptop
Curtain.
and mobile
There
battery.
tomorrow.
So
This
that's
is also in front of
you
the
can
bed.
see.
Does it look good?
Uh,
Basically,
does it
what
look? So we are reading this now. It's iconic landmark, and then it's known for its culinary gems. मतलब खाना खाने के लिए लोग वहां जाते हैं. Culinary is खाना. Okay, all right. It's effective. Unique experiences and unmatched मतलब कुछ भी मैच नहीं करेगा, कोई भी मैच नहीं कर पाएगा ऐसा. Okay, unmatched hospitality. All right. Property highlights: this five-star hotel is the first India's first luxury hotel. It's an iconic structure of Mumbai. मतलब मुंबई आओगे तो आई थिंक पीपल अगर अंदर भी नहीं गए तो एटलीस्ट घूमने के लिए तो जाते हैं, राइट? सो पीपल गो देयर, दे जस्ट एज अ टूरिस्ट दे एंजॉय दिस स्पेस. All right, this they come with 11 hosting spaces offering a maximum capacity of 650 guests. Ideal. Okay, this is basic. Lavishly furnished room. So उसका room कैसा था? Decent था. He says affordable, but it was lavish. अगर ये decent है तो okay, presidential suite कैसे रहेगा? So lavishly furnished rooms and suites. Okay, ये suits करके spelling है, but it's suites. Offer very 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 beautiful. Okay, very 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 beautiful बोलने से अच्छा we can say splendid views. Okay, बहुत सुंदर, very good, very pretty, very beautiful. तो very के बदले what you can put is splendid views of the Arabian Sea and the Gateway of India. और एक आउटडोर पूल है, एक्सपेंसिव, मतलब ऐसा फैला हुआ बहुत. ओके, एंड लग्जरी शॉपिंग आर्केड, मतलब क्या, सारे ब्रांड्स है वहां पर. ओके, देन देयर इज अ काइंड ऑफ स्पेस जहाँ पर सारे ऐसे शोरूम्स जैसे हैं. ओके, लग्जरी शॉपिंग आर्केड, जे वेलनेस सर्कल, ऑन साइट स्पा फीचर्स मल्टीपल ट्रीटमेंट रूम्स, मतलब वहां पर ऑन साइट मतलब अंदर ही है स्पा. ओके, सो यू डोंट हैव टू गो एनीवेयर एज सच. And a traditional hammam. Acha, what is hammam? If you're thinking कि मुझे एक word पता नहीं है, so this is how you learn. All right. So when you say hammam, okay, hammam was what soap in the past. Okay, so hammam is a Turkish bath. Okay, can you see this? I'll show you the image. याद रखने के लिए. Can you see that? Oh, looks quite luxurious. Okay, क्या है ये? This looks like more like a spa treatment. Yeah. Okay. So hammam is nothing but Turkish baths. Okay. We should, I think it's a separate topic altogether to really get in the depth of it. Okay. Dead Sea Soak. ऐसे कुछ treatments होते हैं अलग-अलग probably. Okay. We need to really find more about it. It offers a range of Ayurvedic treatments, aromatherapy. Aroma is like खुशबू वाली therapy. They make you smell a lot of essential oils अलग-अलग, and उसके वजह से you feel rejuvenated. एकदम ऐसा लगता है कि आह, क्या लाइफ है. ओके, लश स्पा सेशंस, योगा एंड ब्यूटी ट्रीटमेंट्स. सो लोग सिर्फ खाने के लिए नहीं जाते हैं ताज, वहां पर बहुत सारे ब्यूटी ट्रीटमेंट्स एंड स्पा ट्रीटमेंट्स के लिए भी जाते हैं. Okay, the 24-hour fitness centers. Why do people use fitness centers? I don't know. ताज जाके कोई फिटनेस करता है, बट करते होंगे. With techno gym equipment and state of the art facilities. State of the art facilities मतलब बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे. Okay, so infrastructure के लिए ये यूज होता है. स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट म्यूजियम होता है, स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट स्टेडियम होता है, ऑडिटोरियम होता है, मतलब एकदम बहुत ही अच्छा. ओके, where lot of technology is used या फिर designs are used. Okay, अलग कुछ किया है उन्होंने, state of the art. Okay, shortcuts नहीं ये किया. All right, conveniences like 24-hour on call doctor. On call doctor मतलब बुलाने पे आ जाता है 24 hours. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि डॉक्टर तो अभी सोया हुआ है कल मिलेगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. 24 hours on call doctor and nurse. Travel desk, if you want to travel around, okay, मुंबई के आसपास जाना है, उनको बोलो मुझे भेलपुरी खाना है, लेके जाएंगे. They'll suggest you of course and you have to pay for that. लेके मतलब फ्री में नहीं. Car rental services, if you want to travel, for example, you book in Taj and you have some work in Andheri or BKC or any part of the town, and you don't have a car, you don't own a car in a new city. Okay, you are new to the city. So, आप क्या कर सकते हो? You can hire the car. So, car rental services. Currency exchange, if you're a foreigner, you can exchange the currencies. Um, Safe deposit lockers if you're extremely rich or you're there for the wedding or you carry your jewelry with you, diamonds with you. कुछ रखना है रख सकते हैं. All right, 24-hour laundry. Oh, very basic है ना. 24-hour laundry. Facilities for the differently abled. Okay, very important to note. Okay, most of the time we say handicap. Okay, but differently abled people need some kind of different arrangements when it comes to maybe lift or staircase. If there are people on wheelchair, then the even the staircase or the places where they can go up, okay, slightly needs to be inclined. There needs to be a ramp, you know. Lift obviously होती है, but lift भी बड़ी होनी चाहिए, okay. So differently abled people like deaf people, blind people, you know, the कुछ चीजें होती है जो उनको touch करके समझते हैं, so they understand. So these are the things which are there as facilities for the differently abled people. I'm not sure which exactly are they referring to, but abled is a word जहाँ पर मेरा ज़्यादा ध्यान था. Okay, valet parking. Now they call it as valet. ये spelling है wallet. Okay, ये wallet लगे आपका pocket का जो होता है वो नहीं, it's valet parking. T is silent. Okay. पार्किंग फैसिलिटी एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री वाईफाई. कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मतलब फ्री, आप हमारे यहाँ पैसे भरो रूम के लिए, रहो या मे बी खाने के लिए खाओ और हम आपको देंगे फ्री वाईफाई. दैट फ्री इज कंसिडर्ड here as complimentary. That means it comes as a part of what you have ordered. Okay, something else you must have paid for. Okay. Golden Keys Concierge. I'm not sure what is Golden Keys, but concierge is nothing but a place जहाँ पर आप जाके maybe you can ask for some services, some help. Multilingual staff. This is for somebody who is not from uh, India, or I would say in India also people sometimes require help when they do not know the local language. So we have multilingual staff. Leave no stone unturned. मतलब आपकी खातिरदारी में I should say, right? कुछ कमी नहीं रखते. So they leave no stone unturned in providing the best of hospitality. मतलब आपको सब सही एकदम अच्छा मिल जाता है. Alright? Heritage walks and city tours are provided on request. On request मतलब सबको नहीं देते. अगर आपने पूछा तो आपको देंगे. Okay? So heritage walks. ऐसे आपको कहीं लेके जाएंगे चल के कार में. I'm not sure if they say walks. It has to be walks. But otherwise, can you see? They also provide what are the activities and nearby attractions. आप क्या कर सकते हो वहां पर? Okay? लोग पूछते हैं मुंबई में आके मैं क्या करूं? So I when I asked my student क्या करूं? Sarita was asking me क्या करूं? तो I was not sure because every individual is different. आप अलग-अलग activities कर सकते हैं. So she told me मुझे भेलपुरी खाना है. मतलब अच्छा मुंबई में आके कोई ताज में रह के भेलपुरी खाता है. So maybe she wished for it. Maybe it's a favorite dish. And there are so many options in Mumbai. But there are other activities as well कि मुंबई में आके करोगे तो क्या करोगे तो आर्ट गैलरी घूमो. They are saying explore the art gallery. Okay, खुद ही ताज की है. या फिर take a guided tour of the hotel. Guided tour मतलब when you move around you don't know the importance of these things. But when you take a guide, okay, they tell you ये 400 साल पुराना पेंटिंग है. ये पिलर है जो 400 लोगों ने हाथ से बनाया है. ओके, ये वो स्पेशल गोल्ड चेयर है जहां पर ये बैठे थे, वो बैठे थे, ये महाराजा बैठे थे. सो दैट्स अ गाइडेड टूर ऑफ द होटल to learn more about its history, who built it, when it was built, who occupied it, who stayed here. काफी मजा आ जाता है when you take a guided tour. Okay. शॉप फॉर सोवेनियर्स। सोवेनियर्स मतलब आप वापस जाते हो ना, तो यू टेक समथिंग विथ यू, है ना। कुछ कुछ लोगों को आदत होती है छोटे छोटे गिफ्ट्स लेके जाते हैं, एंड स्पेशली व्हेन इट इज इंडिया और व्हेन इट इज मुंबई, पीपल कैरी समथिंग जो विच रिप्रेजेंट्स मुंबई। कुछ सोवेनियर्स लेके जाते हैं, छोटा सा ताज का मॉडल लेके जाएंगे, या एलिफेंट लेके जाएंगे, वुडन आर्टिफैक्ट्स लेके जा सकते हैं, कुछ भी लेके जा सकते हैं। Clothes, you can buy clothes, shoes, okay, not inside necessarily, but there's a Kolaba Causeway करके एक road है, it's a street side shopping, which is just 600 meters away. Visit the historical monument. If somebody is interested in history, you can visit the historical monument, the Gateway of India, and explore the renowned, your famous, okay, another word for renowned is famous, Elephanta Caves. जिनको nature पसंद है, जिनको outdoor पसंद है, वो outdoor जाए, जिनको रूम में रहना है, बिकॉज लोग बोले इतना पैसा दिया है तो रूम का कुछ तो वसूल होना चाहिए, you should actually feel like you've stayed in Taj. If you're booked in Taj but only you get to sleep in Taj, then you might feel that बस मैंने जो 12 घंटे थे वो मैंने सिर्फ सो के निकाले. You did not explore Taj, right? So it all depends on how many days you're staying in Taj and what you like about the city. Enjoy the seascape at the famous Marine Drive. Okay, the people who love water or ocean view. Okay, वो पूरा जो Queen's Necklace है, you can enjoy that as well. And there are different sightseeing places. The list is given here. Okay, so what happened is when what we did today is we visited Taj. Okay, now what if I put this एक वीडियो अगर मैं दिखाऊंगी उसका, तो मे बी इट माइट गो इन कॉपीराइट, एंड व्हाट आई डू, आई स्टॉप दिस रिकॉर्डिंग एंड आई री रिकॉर्ड दिस, मैं आपको एक वीडियो में लेके जाती हूँ, एक विजुअल ऑफ ताज, ओके, उसमें लेके जाती हूँ, एंड देन यू माइट रियली relate to these things and we might learn new words. Okay, so let me just quickly